Thank you so much. I'm your producer, Great. In his book, Working with Buhari, Femi Adesina lied to the human family when he said the then president, Muhammad Buhari, deliberately refused to present his WAEC certificate or make it public, so that those who were speaking against him, voicing out their feeling, will go ahead and please themselves. That is far from the truth. Adesina is deliberately standing logic on his head. It's so unfortunate that a Christian elder like him would deliberately distort facts. The truth is that Adesina is telling lies. Buhari had no certificate, no WAEC certificate at all. Buhari was just playing game. This is a man that presented NECO certificate for exam he claimed he sat for in 1961. And we, the Nigerian people, reminded him that as at 1961, the examination body called NECO was not in existence. This same man went and picked up a WAEC, posed with WAEC certificate or whatever at the station. This was just like a game. So childish. What next? What we had was Cambridge certificate for the same exam. So, for Adesina to now try to launder the image of the man who had been deceiving himself, claiming to be in possession of a certificate that is too far from him, is so unfortunate. We need to remind Femi Adesina, stop wasting your time distorting facts. You carry yourself with dignity. Tinubu, what do you call him? Buhari does not have any WAEC certificate. The same way Tinubu graduated from Government College, Lagos, when the college was not in existence. That's the same game Buhari is played, that he wrote NECO when there was no NECO. Nobody will sit for an exam and will not know the exam, the name of the exam he is sitting for. Nobody. So let Adesina respect himself and stop misinforming the human family. What he garbaged out in Working with Buhari is a joke, a huge joke. It's so unfortunate. May God help Adesina to recover himself and get back to the path of honor. Share this video and subscribe to this channel. We need to help Adesina to return to the path of truth.